This is an HDMI smartphone mirroring demo for the Cadillac CTS years 2010 to 2015.
Once in an interface mode, go ahead and press CarPlay. CarPlay is appear on the screen. This 100% original CarPlay, just like found in any other car that is 2018 or newer. You get full touchscreen, just like would be in 2018 Cadillacs. Everything is controlled through the original touchscreen, and we're going to show you how everything works.
In this video, Android Auto.
Android Auto demo. Press and hold top left of the screen to enter the Android Auto or the interface. Click here and you enter in the Android Auto.
In this video, HDMI smartphone mirroring.
And you have your HDMI. HDMI mirroring is very easy. Just like in your home TV, whatever you connect to HDMI, you will see on your car screen.
In this video, camera operations.
Cameras can be operated automatic or manually. In the interface mode, press and hold top left of the screen, and you got 4 camera inputs.
This is a two-part video. Part 1 is product demonstration. Part 2, product installation. NavTool, established in 2002. See description below video for product information. Must expand description section if watching this video on a mobile device. This is a demo of iPhone or Android smartphone mirroring with Apple Carplay and Android Auto plus 4 camera inputs. Interface is compatible with Cadillac CTS years 2008 to 2015. This interface does not replace factory radio or factory screen. This interface enhances the factory screen with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, HDMI mirroring, and extra cameras. All factory features work the same as before. This interface is see-through, meaning the vehicle does not detect that the interface is installed in the car. This product is made and manufactured in the United States. Please support American jobs. This product is a 100% automotive-grade product. Thank you for watching. Please click the logo on the left-hand side to subscribe to the channel. Subscriptions work on smartphones, tablets, and computers. Please like the video and leave a comment. Please click the link on the right-hand side to watch the full video.